Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Desi Arani, and in this video I wanna review K-drama with the title Startup. Startup is the story flow is related to business management and IT industry. First, let me tell you about the main character. For the first is Dalmi. She grew up with her grandmother and separated with her sister because their parents got divorced and she chose to stay with her father. Her father's business did not go well. Unfortunately, a sudden happened when it about to success. Her father death seems so bad. I'm hoping that he did not based on interesting twists of this drama. I want to believe that the thankful character on preview last episode for the next episode is him. After the divorce of their parents, Dalmi was left without any friends as her sister. That is Won In-jae. Is her only friend. Her grandmother made a scam to make her happy about some kid wanting to be her friend through letter. What happened is that the name used from the third letter is real name from newspaper. Then the one writing it is the teenager whom her grandmother provided a shelter. Dalmi is in love with Nam Do-san. She grew up. She believed it was from him, but it's actually Han Ji-pyong. Han Ji-pyong is who write this letter. Dalmi is high school graduate. She's been working part-time job until one day she dreamed of having her own business to prove herself. To make her mother and sister believe that she never regret her decision on staying with her father. Dalmi's mother remarried a rich man and her sister grew up with a good background. She trying to pretend that everything went well made the story very existing. And the next character is Do-san. Do-san is a smart kid who won a math award. When Dalmi's grandma and Ji-pyong writing a letter, they use his name which happened they found on the newspaper. He become a developer, but they're a mess as there is no investor. Their goal is amazing. The application is worth investing, but there has no good business plan for profit. Dalmi has decided to find Do-san to seek help, hoping that he might be a help for her. Dalmi found Do-san's name through online he posts for sale. Then on other side of the story, Ji-pyong tries his way to find Do-san. Do-san pretends to be the person who used to send Dalmi a letter. He helped Dalmi to save face on even after Dalmi made a promise to her sister to bring him. Do-san falls in love with Dalmi for real. The thing is there are a lot of lies. He is a decent guy who is also soft-hearted. The next is placed in the story, that is Sandbox. Where someone's dream can be possible, Sandbox is a company that helps for those who want to start a business, those who don't have investor, those who don't have capital for business, those who don't have relationship with important people, those who don't have anything but have the determination, intention, and passion to start a business. This is where Sandbox become a place for them. Okay, now I will tell you a character of Ji-pyong. Okay, for the next is Ji-pyong. He is intelligent, but he comes from an orphanage. He has no one and nowhere to go when he really needs a help. He got certificate as prize from competition, but cannot even use it. He was a minor way back. When it happened, then he met Dalmi's grandma. The grandma showed him humanity and took care of him when he has nothing. He left and became successful. After years, he met that grandma again and he really wants to return the favor. That's when he helped Dalmi meet Do-san, and of course they keep on lying. Ji-pyong is Sandbox director. Ji-pyong also second lead syndrome. That's what many viewers feel toward Ji-pyong. He is so amazing. He has a very good life story on this drama, and his dimples too is so cute. For the next character is In-jae. Inje is Dalmi's sister, and she gained mostly of what she has because of his stepfather. She also wants to prove herself that she's God without any business connection. Every additional episode, the story is becoming more and more exciting. The story is not focused on main character only. Supporting characters had their own interesting story to tell in this drama, which make it more twist. My curiosity and excitement is mixing as I want to watch the next episode, already to know the what's and why while watching it. It is a mix of drama, family, romance, and comedy. You must watch this and know yourself how good this story. The best thing about this drama is the plot. The story is quite engaging and pure fun to watch. You never know what is going to happen next. One moment you think they are finally going to meet, and then the next moment the plot turns 180 degrees on you. So you are left guessing for the 1 millionth time what will happen next. My prediction is that the drama will slow down quite soon. No writer or director can keep up with the pace they set for themselves in the first 2 episodes. It also looks like a romantic comedy, so I don't anticipate any exceptionally sad or dark event. Just quality entertainment without squeezing unnecessary tears out of viewers. It will be interesting to see if the main couple develop good chemistry. I doubt this drama is going to be overly romantic, but I expect some cute moments later on. I was super hyped for Star Up at the beginning, from the tearful scan of their past to the present battle they have to face due to the comeback of their past event. But now in the last episode, I have been really frustrated on how the whole team of Dalmi act. Some tech. In the last episode, they are not consulting their mentor with such a major investment, and half of them don't even see him as a mentor but a rival. And I'm so disappointed with the episode 12 because Nam doesn't fight with Han Ji Pyong. And now they're pointing finger at each other because the plan went downhill. And then Ji Pyong has been quiet them the whole time. I personally can say that without Ji Pyong, the company would go downhill, just like what happened in the recent episode of them side of their company. I have a lot more, but I just want to express that my heart aches for Ji Pyong. I have been Team Ji Pyong from the start, and yes, it's predictable that they won't end up together. In the end, no matter how much I stress that they should be, Ji Pyong, despite from being an orphan and going through a ton of life difficulties at a very young age, grew up to be the man he is today. An overall better man for Dalmi Danwasan, mature, loyal, stable. He even confessed to Dalmi about his feelings, but he expects nothing in return. He patiently just wait, never pressure her. He is wise for his age despite the circumstance he faced, and I personally think that he is better man for Dalmi in a landslide. I so very recommended this drama if you are craving something like a fast-paced but not too fluffy or sentimental. To be honest, this is the best airing drama at the moment in terms of quality. Okay, I think now for my review about K-drama with the title Star Up, and I so apologize if there are any words inappropriate or offensive, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.